Students, in the 12th standard accountancy, we will see format of affairs. I told to you introduction class and previous class about balance sheet. Okay. Now we are going to take about format of statement of affairs. What is format of statement of affairs? Nothing but the balance sheet only. Show the balance of the assets and liabilities on the particular date. Neither looks it is the balance sheet but cannot say it's a balance sheet because incomplete records reliable. When will the prepare the statement of affairs? When double entry system, it's strictly allowed. That time only prepare the statement of affairs. In another point, how will you get capital? Nothing but from the assets minus liabilities, it will be get answer capital. So it is a statement. Actually, the statement of affair is a statement. So either on the list of the assets and liabilities, and so on, it is a not called as a balance sheet. Okay, because all the value of assets and liabilities shown in the statement of affairs are not fully based on the ledger balance. Okay, and already you learned 11th standard accountancy. You have seen in the format, but in the format of statement of affairs, it is different balances. Okay, so now I'm going to explain in asset side. First one, cash in hand and cash at bank. What do you mean by cash in hand and cash at bank? Nothing. The cash at bank financial records to show how much money it has in the bank. That's called cash in hand. It's same cash at bank. And another one, and sundry debtors. What is sundry debtors? A person who receive a goods or service from the business in the credit or does not make a payment immediately and are liable to pay the business. The future is called the sundry debtors. The same meaning the bills receivable also. Next one, stock in trade and prepaid expenses and fixed assets. The prepaid expenses, what is the prepaid expenses? The prepaid expenses are future expenses that are paid in advance, such as rent or insurance on the asset side. And the next one, fixed assets. The fixed assets or assets which a company used on the continuous basis, such as a property and machinery and building. For the purchase of the fixed assets, it will be used capital or long-term finance. That is a asset side. And another side, liability side. Okay, so liability side, in first one, sundry creditors. What do you mean by sundry creditors? So sundry creditors, a person who leaves goods or service to the business in the credit or does not receive the payment immediately from the business, and it is liable to receive the payment from the business in future. That is a sundry creditors. A same opposite side of the bills receivable and bills payable. And next one, and outstanding expenses and prepaid expenses as also same opposite side, and bank overdraft and capital. Okay, did you understand? Thank you.